Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Subega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Leo, July 23 to August 22, Wednesday, July 24, 2024. You will be put in a situation wherein you have to choose, and that situation will be restraining you or limiting you. The situation of dumb if you do, dumb if you don't. You have to choose the lesser evil. Otherwise, you both lose both ends. Ang horoscope po natin sa panahon na ito ay merong kapamakan na pag hindi mo ginawa, may mangyayari sa'yo. Pag ginawa mo rin, may mangyayari rin sa'yo. Kailangan mong mamili ng lesser evil o mas konti yung disgrasya. Darating tayo sa panahon na yan na ihanda mo yung kalooban dahil maraming mga tao sa kapaligiran mo na maaaring ipahamak ka. Maging alerto ka.